There have been many AI tools that were released this month, but one tool that I want to highlight here is VideoGPT. Yes, you heard that right. You already know about ChatGPT. It's everything related to chatting, and there are no images or videos to play around with. However, with VideoGPT, you can upload any video and ask any question to AI about the uploaded video. When I say any, that means any. In this video, I will show you how to get access to VideoGPT, how to use it, and what its capabilities are. So wait till the end. Let's take a look at the demo provided by OpenAI. I will show you the live AI model as well shortly. So this is you, and this is the AI. On the left side, there's a video of a panda eating leaves. And they are saying, in this video, there is a person eating leaves. Why? But of course, it's very clear, it's not a person. Now let's have a look at how the AI responded. This video does not contain any person eating leaves. It only contains a giant panda sitting on the ground eating bamboo. It not only denied what you said, but also told what exactly the panda is doing. That clearly means this AI cannot be tricked. Now let's have a look at this video. And they asked, what is the gender of the person? It clearly said it's a woman. They asked where she is and what she is doing. It replied, the woman is on the roof and she is doing yoga. It might seem basic, but if you really understand what's happening here, you will get what the capabilities of this AI are. Now have a look at these other questions about another video, and it's very, very interesting and exciting at the same time. Now let me take you to the AI model itself. Click on the link provided in the description so you could check it out as well. Ask Anything with GPT is freely available for everyone currently. You just need the OpenAI API key to use VideoGPT. Let me demo this for you. I have downloaded a video from Envato Market. I will first upload the video, and once the video is uploaded, we can preview it ourselves as well, and we can see a boy kicking a soccer ball. Now I will ask a bunch of questions to the model, but first, we have to let the AI watch the video and process it. So we will click on Watch It. It will take a bit of time, and once it's done, you can see it has given it a title as well, Kicking a Soccer Ball. Now I will click on Let's Chat. As it's ready, I will ask it a few questions about the video that are not very basic like they have shown in their demo. Let's test it out. The first question is, what is the kid wearing on his head, and what is the color of it? The answer is correct. The hat is brown, and it has a black stripe on it as well. Now let me ask, which leg did he use to kick the soccer ball? Isn't it cool? Hurry up if you want to test it out before it becomes premium. Please leave a comment below about where you think we are heading with the releases of these AI tools, and what about the jobs of the people against which these AI tools are being released. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for the latest AI tools updates and tutorials about learning and earning with AI. Thanks for watching.